Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 29th of March. I'm James Spann. Clouds begin to return tomorrow. An active day Wednesday with a chance of strong to severe storms across the Deep South. Let's go right to the upper air look across the country this afternoon. You can see a zonal flow and a dry air mass and a beautiful day as advertised. Clear statewide. Got a few high clouds over the Gulf of Mexico. Temperatures are mostly in the mid-60s. This afternoon, a little below average for this time of the year. There's the watch warning map, mostly wind and fire issues across the country. Red flag warnings all the way from West Texas to Minnesota and the Dakotas. That's for the possibility of wildfires. Looks like we got high wind warnings in effect for parts of the Dakotas, Montana, Wyoming, and Colorado. Things quiet down here. There's the severe weather outlook through tonight. Maybe some thunder for South Florida. No severe weather expected. Tomorrow, there's a marginal risk from northeastern Texas into the northwestern corner of Alabama. And keep in mind, this outlook runs through 7 a.m. Wednesday. And then after 7 a.m. Wednesday, we have a marginal risk over most of the state. That's a level 1 out of level 5. And we'll talk about this more in a second. There's the larger view for Wednesday, the risk running from Louisiana's Gulf Coast up into parts of the Carolinas. Rain for the next 7 days. The west is relatively dry. Around here, rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches for the northern half of the state, 1/2 to 1 inch for the south. So, model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Troughing north and west of the state. Down below that, moisture begins to return. Clouds gradually increasing. Highs well up in the 70s. There could be a few showers over South Alabama by afternoon. And then Wednesday, a cold front pushing in from the north. And again, interesting to note the chance of a few snow flurries behind the front over parts of southern Missouri, Illinois, Indiana. But let's look at the situation Wednesday at 1 o'clock. Off the high-res NAM, showing a band of showers and thunderstorms coming down across the state. This is the instability, and the numbers are up to about 1,300 joules per kilogram around Tuscaloosa. That's moderately unstable for late March. And again, you can clearly pick out the cold front position with that boundary of the unstable air. This is the shear. This is the 0 to 1 kilometer storm relative helicity. The numbers are really not that high. I just don't think we have a big tornado threat. This is the STP, about 1 to 2 units. The main issue with these storms Wednesday, the chance of strong gusty winds, maybe some small hail. Not a high-end threat, but as always, you need to be weather aware on Wednesday. Thursday, sunny, breezy and colder. The high will be dropping into the mid to upper 50s with a brisk north wind, and by Friday morning, we should go below the freezing mark over much of north and central Alabama. Lows between 25 and 34 for most spots. This is April 2nd. Not that unusual to have a freeze in early April. That's fairly common. The day Friday will be sunny with a high in the upper 50s. This is Saturday. The sky sunny. We'll go back in the 60s. Sunday will be a sunny day. Low 70s are likely. And a week from today, Monday, the 5th of April, again, a zonal flow, and we are still dry. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, April 8th. Got a negative tilt upper trough out across the Great Plains states. A deep surface low over southern Minnesota with a trailing front. And that will likely bring the next round of showers and storms toward the end of next week. Remains to be seen if there's a severe weather problem. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble for the next 15 days. This is through the 14th of April. The mean, a little under 2 inches, but some of the members up to 7 inches, and that's the great uncertainty out there in the longer range. Temperatures, look at the drop on Friday morning, 32, and this is for Birmingham. Many spots go in the 20s. But look at that, low 80s by the middle of next week. Cold snaps don't last long this time of the year. And hot off the presses, the brand new CPC outlook. This is for April 6th through April 12th, the western third of the country, with temperatures below average, above average for the central and eastern states, including the Deep South. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.